How to close Societe Generale bank account. Societe Generale is a major French multinational bank offering retail, corporate, and investment banking, as well as wealth management and insurance services across 60-plus countries. First, check your account for any pending transactions, direct debits, or standing orders. Transfer any remaining funds to another account. The easiest way to close your account is to visit your local Societe Generale branch. Bring your identification like passport and ID card. Contact Societe Generale's customer service at this number. Available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Paris time. They may guide you on how to proceed remotely. Request written confirmation of the account closure for your records. That's it. Thanks for watching.